gonna get his brakes fixed pretty soon. Yeah, 'cause they're getting fixed here. Yeah, the guys are gonna come, the same guy that did his car last time. No, Michael's guessing like maybe an hour, hour and a half. I don't know. I'm guessing so, since there's two of them. So we'll be here, and then after, then we're gonna go to my mom and dad's house to get the extra blankets and stuff for Tatum's game tonight. Do you want to join us at Tatum's game?
Are you giving kisses? Are you giving Cannon kisses, EJ?
Oh, it's at 7:30 and it's at MPC. I guess my mom said they rent floodlights, cause it's not me. I mean, sorry, yeah, Monterey High. That's EJ. Okay. Okay, bye. Oh, that's annoying. I don't know.
Papa's in the garage. Papa's in the garage. I was trying to be famous.
Aaliyah, watch out. Your brother's behind you, too. Don't fall backwards.
No, don't touch. Can you hold this real quick? While I get down. Don't hurt him. Try and get down.